The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern looking, southeastern Delaware until 4:30 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., storm spotters reported quarter-sized hail in Lewis Center. Radar indicated that this severe thunderstorm was located near Polaris, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Sunbury. In addition, Alum Creek State Park, Galena, Center Village, and Hartford are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 71 between mile markers 122 and 130. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.